HLA-B27 is widely conducted test conducted for diagnostic of a variety of autoimmune diseases. Which of the following condition would you not accept to find this antigen in? Ankylosing spondylitis, juvenile rheumatoid arthritis, polymyalgia rheumatica, psoriatic arthritis. The correct answer is C, polymyalgia rheumatica. Here is the description. Correct answer, polymyalgia rheumatica. Human leukocyte antigen HLA. Human leukocyte antigen refers to inherited components of immune system. Inheritance of certain HLA proteins increases the risk of specific diseases, especially spondyloarthropathies such as ankylosing spondylitis, reactive arthropathy, Reiter syndrome, psoriatic arthropathy. Not all persons with a certain HLA pattern will develop the disease, but those who do have that HLA pattern have a greater probability of its developmental than the general population. Other diseases associated with HLA-B27: multiple sclerosis, Graves' disease. Polymyalgia rheumatica is an autoimmune disease which begins in late 15th decade and affects joints like shoulder and hip. Antigen associated here is HLA-DR4. Polymyalgia rheumatica the responsible অ্যান্টিজেনটা হলো HLA-DR4 আর বাকি যে তিনটা অপশন ছিল সেগুলোতে HLA-B27 রেসপন্সিবল ছিল।